Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
The personality of Godhead said, "My dear Dhruv, son of the king, you have executed pious vows, and I also know the desire within your heart. Although your desire is very ambitious and very difficult to fulfill, I shall favor you with its fulfillment. All good fortune unto you." The Lord is so merciful to his devotee that he immediately said to Dhruv Maharaj, "Let there be all good fortune for you." The fact is that Dhruv Maharaj was very much afraid in his mind, for he had aspired after material benefit in discharging his devotional service, and this was hampering him from reaching the stage of love of God. In the Bhagavad Gita it is said, "Bhogaishvarya prasaktanam," those who are addicted to material pleasure cannot be attracted to devotional service. It was true that at heart Dhruv Maharaj wanted a kingdom that would be far better than Brahmloka. This was a natural desire for a kshatriya. He was also only 5 years old, and in his childish way he desired to have a kingdom far greater than his father's, grandfather's or great-grandfather's. His father, Uttanapada, was the son of Manu, and Manu was the son of Lord Brahma. Dhruv wanted to excel all these great family members. The Lord knew Dhruv Maharaj's childish ambition, but how was it possible to offer Dhruv a position more exalted than Lord Brahma's? The Lord assured Dhruv Maharaj that Dhruv would not be bereft of the Lord's love. He encouraged Dhruva not to be worried that he childishly had material desires and at the same time had the pure aspiration to be a great devotee. Generally, the Lord does not award a pure devotee material opulence, even though he may desire it. But Dhruv Maharaj's case was different. The Lord knew that he was such a great devotee that in spite of having material opulence, he would never be deviated from love of God. This example illustrates that a highly qualified devotee can have the facility of material enjoyment and at the same time execute love of God. This, however, was a special case for Dhruv Maharaj.